So from the makers of the most famous food court showmaking of House of Franchise. Na-awardan tayo noong 2020, 2021 at 2022 ng Franchise Company of the Year. Noong 2023 ng Franchising Hall of Famer of the Year. At meron din tayong ISO certification. At na-awardin din tayo ng Asia Leaders Award noong 2020, 2021, 2022 ng Franchise Company of the Year. At syempre pa, ng Franchising Hall of Famer of the Year noong 2023. At noong 2024 ay muli tayo nakatanggap ng award as Franchising Hall of Famer of the Year. So narito kung paano nagsimula ang ating mga food court. Noong 2006 ay nagkaroon tayo ng Noodle House open to several locations nationwide. Noong 2008 naman, Showmaking was developed and launched. Noong 2015, ang Potato King ay offered to the consumers. Noong 2016, with over 800 branches nationwide na sila. At noong 2020, ay nagkaroon tayo ng online and community franchise business. At noong 2023, ay nagkaroon tayo ng Commissary Received ISO certification. At meron din tayong award by Asia Leaders Awards. At noong 2023 to present, meron na tayong mahigit 1,000 branches nationwide mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. At syempre pa noong May 2024 ay nagbukas tayo ng Ucha Milk Tea na kauna-unahang branch sa Shaw Boulevard, Pasig City.